Best moments in SpeedCubing. Number 1. You get a full step PB. Number 2. You finally get the perfect settings. You get a bad PLL but still do it fast. A good PLL saves your
The
solve.
worst PLL, are you serious? Keep up. Yes.
A pauseless solve. You learn a new puzzle. So the funniest thing about this part of the video is that I forgot to record my first solve, so I had to do this one more time, which already kind of irritated me. And then when I was solving this one, this happened.
What?
Yeah, I still don't know what to say. Like, I was angry.
Yes, I finally know how to solve a cube with full CFOP now. Let's go. What? PLL skip, let's go. So that was 3 steps instead of 4.
Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.